Hi guys, welcome back to yet another exciting video. Well, exciting and a little nerve-wracking because today we'll be trying a very new product, which is facial razors. Facial razors have always given me goosebumps every now and then, so I'm a little nervous but also very excited to try this product here. So I've been on a mission to find a good quality razor for a very long time now. So I've stumbled upon this brand called Carmesi facial razor for women. So this video is not sponsored by Carmesi in any shape or form, but I really want you to try this product here because it claims to be a very beginner friendly facial razor. And also, just like you guys, I too have my doubts about facial shaving, so I just wanted to try it out and test it out myself and clear the myths if any. I'm mostly concerned about the post shaving skin traumas, for example those tiny little bumps that you may get after shaving, or the product might give you breakouts. So I hope कि ये दोनों चीज़ मेरे साथ ना हो and the product does not give me any breakouts whatsoever. And because of that, I think I've been putting this topic off, but not today. So we are going to try and test this product today, and we are finally going to shave our face. I also did not want to buy those razors from pharmacy because I was very skeptical about the quality. Maybe I will try those razors if today's experience goes pretty smoothly. So if you're interested to witness my experience today, then please keep on watching. But before we start with the video, if you're watching me for the very first time, then hi, hello, my name is Riddhi and I make videos on fashion, beauty, DIY and many more every single week. So if you like watching such content here on YouTube, then please take a moment and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon right next to it so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. And now without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. I've already prepped my skin using the Neutrogena's oil-free moisturizer an hour before my shaving. The reason being, the moisturizer gets enough time to penetrate into my skin and moisturize my skin from within and keep it soft and smooth, as opposed to sitting on the top of my skin ready to be shaved off. So let's bring the star of today's video. We have the Carmesi's facial razor. So it comes in a pack of 3 and costs for around $299, which is like $100 each. But there was some sale going on to their website, because of which it costed me only 275 rupees with shipping. So yay! This is how it looks. The product claims to have a zigzag pattern on its blade, which makes it very beginner friendly and you won't cut yourself. And has an anti-slip grip. Comes with a protective cap for all 3 of them individually, which is also very great. The good thing about facial shaving is that it gives you a softer, smoother and even toned skin. It exfoliates all the dead skin along with all the peachy fuzz. Works differently than you normally exfoliate with a scrub. So if you're comfortable and curious like me, then give this facial razors a try. And now for the forehead, we again have to go in smaller strokes like this and one longer stroke. And we also have to keep in mind that we don't have to come till our eyebrows here. थोड़ा सा यहाँ तक ही आके रुकना है, because then हम बाद में जाके precision के साथ में we'll do our eyebrows. So eyebrows का तो अलग ही story है, तो we'll get to that. But before we get on our eyebrows, let's just quickly get rid of our forehead. Not get rid of our forehead, like get rid of the peachy hair, like peachy fuzz. Get rid of the hair on our forehead. Yeah, that makes sense. Because my hairline is pretty straight, so I don't really want to touch my hairline a tad bit also. So now that I have my hair up tied, let's begin with our forehead. So again like small strokes like this, and then we stop here. So मुझे forehead पे तो ज़्यादा है नहीं hair, लेकिन still I'm just cleaning everything up. So now I again have very little space to work with here. Clean off all the hair that must have fallen on my face and on my lashes. We are done with the forehead. Now the only 2 things that are remaining are my eyebrows and my upper lips. So I'm not sure if I should shave my eyebrows or not. Like, I'm pretty happy and satisfied with my threading technique. So I thread my eyebrows on my own, and I'm pretty happy and satisfied with the results. And I'm also scared to use my razor because funny story, because when I was around 9 or 10 years old. So I used to see my brothers and my dad shave their face, like shave their beard off. तभी trimmers नहीं हुआ करते थे, ठीक है. तो this is like very back in the day. तो वन डे आई वॉज वेरी क्यूरियस टू नो कि ये कैसे काम करता है, मतलब ये रेजर्स में ऐसा क्या जादू है कि वो बाल सारे गायब हो जाते हैं. तो आई वॉज वेरी क्यूरियस. सो वन डे आई जस्ट रीच्ड आउट टू अ रेजर एंड आई फॉर सम रीजन आई वॉज जस्ट लुकिंग कि मैं इसको कैसे यूज़ करूँ. आई जस्ट लाइक स्पेक्टेटिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, लुकिंग हियर एंड देयर, एंड देन सडनली आई वाज लाइक मेरे फेस पे तो बाल ही नहीं है, मैं कहाँ पे यूज़ करके देखूँ, बिकॉज अभी 9 या 10 ईयर ओल्ड की लड़की को कहाँ से फेस पे बाल रहेगा, लाइक तभी तो चिन हेयर भी नहीं था मुझे. तो आई वॉज जस्ट क्यूरियस एंड वंडरिंग कि हाउ डू आई टेस्ट दिस प्रोडक्ट. देन सडनली मेरी नज़र गई मेरे आईब्रोज़ पे. आई नो इट साउंड्स वेरी स्कैरी बट या. सो मेरी नज़र गई मेरे आईब्रोज़ पे और मैंने रेज़र लिया, लाइक लिटरली वो वाली जो ऐसी वो बॉडी हेयर वाली रेजर्स नहीं होती है, वो ली ऐसे, और मेरी लेफ्ट लाइक ऐसे लेके मैंने लेफ्ट आईब्रो पे ऐसे घुमा डाली. तो जब मैंने ऐसे स्वाइप किया तो ऑल ऑफ माई हेयर वर गॉन, लाइक लिटरली मेरे आधे से ज़्यादा बाल चले गए थे, आईब्रोज चले गए थे. एंड आई वॉज लाइक wow, this works, and I was so happy कि finally I figured the technique and I figured how to use this product. And then suddenly after a minute or two it clicked me कि oh shit, मेरे बाल चले गए. And then I was like अब तो पिटाई पक्की है. and पिटाई से ज़्यादा मुझे ये चीज़ का embarrassed फील हो रहा था that I have to go to my school with this eyebrow, like such eyebrows. So yeah, so now because of that story I'm very scared कि should I be using a razor on my eyebrow to shape my eyebrows or not. बट हेक लेट्स जस्ट डू इट, बिकॉज अभी तक बहुत ज़्यादा तूफ़ानी कर ही लिया है, तो थोड़ी तूफ़ानी और कर ही लेते हैं. एंड लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट विद आवर आईब्रोज. सो टू बिगिन विद आवर आईब्रोज वील फर्स्ट गो इन टू आवर यूनिब्राउ वाला एरिया एंड देन विल जस्ट क्लीन इट ऑफ वेरी स्लोली, बिकॉज अब ये ब्लेड का विड्थ और मेरे आईब्रो का लाइक सेंटर एरिया का विड्थ इज़ नॉट exactly similar, so I can't directly swipe like this. So I'll just go in an angular motion like this and try to get rid of any hair possible. And also I forgot that we also have to do our upper lips, so I think eyebrow करने से पहले let's just do our upper lips and be done with that. So again for your upper lips you just have to do as you might be doing when you visit a beautician. So just and then go in your angular direction, जैसे भी आपके lips के direction है, you have to go in that direction. So now it's drooping like this, so you have to go like this. You don't have to go like this because when the second time your hair comes, it is going to come in a very sharp or pointy way. So you have to avoid that, and to avoid that you have to go in the same direction as your hair is growing. So now because the hair grows like this and then यहाँ से straight, then you have to go like this and यहाँ से straight. It's not as clean as I would like it to be, so I think हमें opposite direction में भी जाना पड़ेगा. I know it's not advised to go in the opposite direction, but I think I might have to. But let's see. Let's just finish the rest of our lady stash and then we'll see. For the front part, I just have to smack my lips and then we'll start. Now that I have like some tiny hair जो नहीं निकला है, and by going in the same direction, let us just go in the opposite direction and also see. Okay, now that our lady sash is all cleaned up, we can now move to our eyebrows, which I'm again very scared of. Oh my god. Let's begin. Let's see how it goes. So I'm just cleaning my razor blade first and then checking कि अच्छा कुछ गंख तो नहीं है, and now we can move. I think I need a spoolie. Let me just comb all of my eyebrows first, and then जो भी extra outline रहेगा मैं सिर्फ वही निकालती हूँ. Even if I'm doing my threading, मैं सिर्फ extra निकालती हूँ, मैं उसको पतला नहीं करती हूँ. I don't like thin eyebrows, so मैं सिर्फ outline निकालूंगी. So let's just begin. एंड आईब्राउज के लिए ना ये जो एकदम टिप पे है ना, दैट इज़ हेल्पिंग मी अ लॉट. I hope you guys can see, and I hope that I'm not messing this up. I'm caffeinated to another level right now. Now because my hair is growing in this direction, like this direction, I am shaving it in the same direction. I also don't like to keep tail on my eyebrows, so I, for that softer look, I tend to go a little inwards like this. See how clean that arch is. I like it. The difficult part is to shave the lower area, like this area, because this area is very sensitive. अगर मैं threading भी करती हूँ ना तो मेरी जान निकल जाती है जब मैं ये area करती हूँ, because I think for me this area is the most sensitive. तो जब भी मैं threading करती हूँ ना तो मैं literally मेरी mom को बोलती हूँ कि मेरी ये दोनों ऐसे पकड़े, and then I try to remove the hair, because it is a pain. I'm telling you guys, it is a pain to remove yaha wala hair. Sometimes I either ask my mom, or sometimes I just go ahead with tweezers and just pluck everything out, like one by one, ऐसे धीरे धीरे करके. I take my time, and then एक एक करके अगर आप बाल निकालो ना तो इतना ज़्यादा दर्द नहीं होता. Don't take a lot of hair at the same time and try to pluck it out. बहुत दर्द होगा, उससे अच्छा आप एक एक करके निकालो तो आपको कम दर्द होगा, या एटलीस्ट दर्द नहीं ही होगा. Now that our upper arch is done, let's move to the lower arch. So for that I will again brush my eyebrows ऊपर की तरफ, so like this. सो इससे क्या होगा ना, जो भी मेरी नेचुरल आईब्राउ का जो शेप है ना वो भी मुझे दिख जाएगा, और जो भी एक्स्ट्रा है वो भी मुझे दिख जाएगा. सो आई एम अगेन क्लीनिंग माई आईब्राउ लाइक माई रेजर ब्लेड. एंड नाउ लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट विद, नाउ बिकॉज द हेयर का ग्रोथ गोज लाइक दिस, सो आई हैव टू शेव लाइक दिस. सी इतना करने पे एक निकला है. No, I don't think so. I should be shaving my under this thing. Nope, not happening. ये तो threading से भी ज़्यादा difficult है यार मेरे लिए. You guys can clearly tell now कि this is my first time shaving or using a facial razor. This is so funny because मैं इतना डर के अपने eyebrows कर रही हूँ ना. Oh wow, did I manage to pull it off? कि नहीं, यहाँ पे एक बाल है. See now, this is going to bother me. और वो एक बाल नहीं निकलेगा. Okay, I think I should stop, right? But I'm not liking the tail here, so I think we'll just cut the tail off. Yup, the tail is gone. So for the last step, what I like to do is take a small size scissor and just trim the top part. This is very optional, right, you guys, कि अगर आपको नहीं and just try to cut it off. So I like to brush it in the opposite direction and then following the arch, following the middle arch, and just like to straighten it up like this. And once it's straightened, or once I'm happy with it, I leave it. So yep, this is how I managed to do my eyebrows using a facial razor, which is like not bad actually, lekin I still like my threading technique a lot because that gives me a lot of control. Moving on to the other eyebrow, which I'll do off camera because ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा boring process है. I feel I've made my eyebrows as identical as I can. So here's a closer look of how my skin looks post shaving. So I'm happy with the results so far, and it has definitely made my skin so much soft, especially here. So all of the peachy fuzz has gone, so I am happy with that. So I really love the way it feels. I think I cut myself here like very slightly, but apart from that, thank God there are no cuts on my face. Oh my God, I was hoping for this so much. कि मैं अपने फेस पे या अपने स्किन को कट ना करूँ, बट आई मस्ट से बिकॉज दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट टाइम देर आर फ्यू रेजर बर्न्स दैट आई एम एक्सपीरियंसिंग और आई एम फीलिंग. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा हो रहा है, अराउंड माई आईब्राउज थोड़े हो रहे हैं. सो आई थिंक मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बैक एंड फोर्थ एक ही एरिया पे जा रही थी, बिकॉज ऑफ विच माई स्किन गॉट अ लिटिल इरिटेटेड, और वो थोड़ा थोड़ा यहाँ पे मुझे बर्न जैसा हो रहा है. आई डिड शेव अराउंड माई चीक्स एरिया, बट somehow I lost the footage of it, so I don't have any footage to show it to you guys, but please keep in mind that I did shave my cheeks area and then moved on with my forehead. So for my skin irritations generally what I like to do is apply some aloe vera gel or some neem gel. So अभी तो मेरे पास aloe vera नहीं है because मैं aloe vera purely लगाती हूँ, और अभी ये रात का टाइम है तो अभी I prefer not cutting my aloe vera right now. So I have this Oshia's neem pure neem gel. तो I think मैं ये लगाऊंगी अपने face पे, because this will not only calm my face but also get rid of all of those irritation that I'm facing right now. So I'll quickly take it on my hand. So I hope this is focusing. So I'll just take like 3 pumps, और ये इतना सा जेल मेरे पूरे फेस पे अच्छे से मसाज करती हूँ मैं. I also take it on my under eyes. So यहाँ पे जहाँ जहाँ मुझे रेजर बर्न जैसा फीलिंग आ रहा है वहाँ आई एम अप्लाइंग इट. Applying it also on my eyebrows. And for the cut that I have on my chin area here, what I like to do is apply some cream. So I have my holy grail cream here which is called Candy Derma. So ये मेरे पास I think बचपन से, जब मैं एकदम छोटी सी 2 या 3 महीने की थी तब मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा रैशेज होते थे. तो my mom actually went to a doctor and the doctor suggested कि this cream is super gentle and super soft for even baby skin. तो जब भी मुझे रैशेज होता है तभी भी मैं सिर्फ यही क्रीम लगाती हूँ, and it takes केयर ऑफ़ दोज रैशेज़ लाइक ब्यूटिफुली. मैं ओवरनाइट लगा के रख दूँ और वो सुबह तक गायब हो जाते हैं. जब मैं अपनी थ्रेडिंग भी करती थी ना, और यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे, बिकॉज दिस एरिया इज़ वेरी सेंसिटिव और बहुत ज़्यादा कभी कभी वो बर्न हो जाता था, और अगर वो पुल करने से कभी कभी स्किन भी पुल हो जाता था, तो तभी भी आई यूज़ टू अप्लाई ओनली दिस क्रीम ओवरनाइट, और वो मेरे स्किन को बहुत अच्छे से हील कर देता था. सो आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल फॉर दिस क्रीम. सो ये हमेशा मेरे पास रहता है. एक मेरे वैनिटी में रहता है, एक मेरे फर्स्ट एड किट में रहता है, और एक मेरे बैग में हमेशा रहता है. अभी मैंने ऑलरेडी इतना इसको ख़त्म कर लिया है, एंड ये एक प्रोडक्ट है जो मेरा पूरा फैमिली यूज़ करता है. मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स को मैंने रेकमेंड किया है जो वो लोग भी ये यूज़ करते हैं. सो ये अभी ऑलरेडी इतना ख़त्म हो चुका है, तो लेट मी जस्ट क्विकली टेक सम. सो इट कम्स इन ऐसे वाइट फॉर्म में ऐसे. सो इट कम्स लाइक दिस, एंड नाउ बिकॉज आई हैव कट माई सेल्फ हियर, so I'll just apply it here a little. So I guess we are done with our facial shaving session for today. So I'll quickly wear my makeup and be right back. And with that we are back with my full face makeup. Oh my god, I cannot even believe the base went super smoothly. Like ऐसा एप्लीकेशन मैंने अभी तक कभी अपने लाइफ में एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया है. सो आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट ऑल ऑफ माई पीची फज़ हैज़ गॉन एंड माई एप्लीकेशन, लाइक माई बेस एप्लीकेशन वॉज सुपर स्मूथ. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट दैट. ऑल्सो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल ऑफ द विनर्स ऑफ द गिव अवे. सो प्लीज़ DM me on Instagram with all of your contact details. I cannot wait to send your gifts across. And thank you for everyone who participated in this giveaway. I'm so sorry that I could not choose more than 4 winners this time, but there will definitely be more giveaways coming in the future. So stay tuned for that. And with that we wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Please give this video a thumbs up and comment and tell me what are the shaving myths that you have down below, and also please share this video with all of your friends and families. Also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys super soon. Bye.